Hey everyone, Andy Glass here, STVracking.com. Today I want to demonstrate and show you how to use the Torpedo dock installation template. Now when it arrives, it'll look something similar to this with your order. It'll come in a variety of materials depending on what we have on hand and what is available from our supplier, but the concept is very simple. This template allows you to mark the holes to position the torpedo's rails and latches or catches in relationship to each other and on the board or surface that you're putting it on. Now this could be a horizontal tray, it could be a vertical application. Anywhere you want to put the Torpedo dock kit, this template makes it super easy. So the first thing you have to do is find the center point of wherever your marking is. Now this sample tray here, I marked the center point. So what I will do is I will take the template, I will line the front edge up flush, and then this edge up with the center line. I will then mark all my holes, and then I'll just flip it over, line it up again, and then mark the holes. This will give me perfect hole locations for both the two Torpedo dock rails and a single catch for the Torpedo dock kit. Now you can add additional latches or catches, which will allow you to do half width units in this configuration here. And if you don't want to change setups or have most versatility, put 3 on. This allows you to do a full width or 2 half widths. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about the Torpedo dock installation template, shoot us an email, stvracking@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.